All right, real quick video here. So what we're going to be doing right now is putting numbers into scientific notation, okay? So we just have a number here, a normal standard number of 14,700. And when you see a number like this, if it doesn't have a decimal in it, notice how this one, it does have a decimal already where you can see it. If you ever see a number that doesn't have the decimal already there, the decimal is at the end of the number. So it's over here, okay? So what we're going to do to be able to put this in scientific notation, the key to scientific notation is you can only have one digit to the left of the decimal. So right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have too many digits to the left. So what I need to do is I need to move my decimal over to here. But we have to count how far we went. How many digits did we move over? How many places did we move? So we're gonna start here and we're gonna count over. So we're gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're gonna put our new decimal here, and I'll change the color of it so you can kind of see it where the new decimal is. So it's right there between the 1 and the 4. And notice now we have only one digit to the left of this decimal, okay? So I'm going to rewrite this into scientific notation now, okay? So if we want to put this in scientific notation, we have to write 1.47. 1.47. Notice because I moved the decimal here, it's 1.4 and the 7. So I wrote out all the non-zero numbers, okay, times 10. And then, well, what's our exponent? How do we know what our exponent is? Well, our exponent is how far we had to go over to get to this place. So we went over 1, 2, 3, 4. So my exponent would be 4, okay? So now we're going to do the exact same thing with this number down here, but notice it's a little different. This is a really small number. This is a very big number, okay? This is 14,000 something. This is only 0.38. So this is about, if this is $14,000, this is about 38 cents, okay? To compare those numbers. So the difference with this one is we already have the decimal where we can see it, okay? But notice there's not a number over here. We need a non-zero number to the left of the decimal. So we can't count this 0, okay? So what we need to do is we need to move it to the right this time. So we're going to start here, okay, with our decimal, and we're going to move it to the right until we have one non-zero number to the left of the decimal. Well, there it is. Now we have one non-zero number to the left of the decimal, and that's the 3. We just moved it one time and it worked, okay? So we're going to put this in scientific notation. So we know now the decimal, new decimal's here, right there, okay? So we're going to write 3.8 times 10. And now here's the thing. This, when we up here with our large number, we started on the right side and went left, right? And we know this is a big number, so it needs a positive exponent, Look at this guy. It's a little number, and we're moving our decimal to the right. So we're going to use a negative number for this, okay? And we moved it one time to the right, so it's -1 is our exponent. All right? Thanks.